what is love? When we hear the word love, immediately we only get like a boy and a girl's love, opposite sex attraction, falling in love, being in love. That's all. Is that the only form of love in the world or in the universe or in this nature? No, I can say there are different forms of love which we experience, which we feel, which we give to others. But we are always aware and we talk only about a love between a boy and a girl, a guy and a female, a male and a female, right? I'm going to take you through to different forms of love in this video. Please do like my video, share and subscribe to My Fit Brain. Hi, I'm Sejal Daveya, special educator, child and career counselor and parenting coach. So, as you all are aware of love between opposite sex or between the same sex, any form of feeling that we feel when around with some other person, the feeling of being loved, being cared, we feel like we are always happy when we are around that person, when that person is with us. So that is one form of love. But the other form is like mother's love, right? Our parents' love. But why it is always more than father's love, mother's love is always, respected, because mothers sacrifices their lives, everything for their children. They even give their careers, their dreams, their desires, and they just do everything for their children. So that love is pure and eternal. A mother's love cannot be compared with anybody's else because they do not expect anything in return except the love, respect by the children. So mother's love. Then love between friends. There are close friends, deep love between two friends. It can be a boy and a girl, or it can be two girls or two boys. But still there will not be, the attraction or that kind of relationship between friends. But they still stay together. They still stay so close to each other. They share, but they don't fall in love. They don't accept to be life partners of each other. That is a different kind of love. And the most, topmost of all any different kind of love is self love, that we love ourselves, and it is foremost important love for anybody's life. Why is it we always search for happiness outside the world? It's not outside, it lies inside, within us, and we just keep searching it outside. We feel like somebody else can be a reason for our happiness. They can be, but they cannot be our happiness. No, from happiness from external materials are only going to be temporary. True happiness lies within. When you start loving yourself, when you respect yourself, when you accept yourself, the love what you feel from inside for yourself is the best love, because you're your own companion. You do not need anybody's company. You will not be dependent on anybody else. So that is the purest love, even higher than the mother's love, because it is for yourself. You will not, whenever you get ready, you will not look into others for compliments. When you see yourself into mirror, you will say, wow, I look so nice, I look beautiful, I look handsome. That confidence you need not search in others. The self love is the foremost required in everybody's life. So we should always first love ourselves, and then comes our family, friends, our boyfriend, our girlfriend, our relationships, and so many other things. We there is one more kind of love. We crush, what we say. We fall in love with our heroes, sports persons, with our mentors, but those are not kind of love where we expect for anything or we go into any commitments. It's like you feel good when you see them, when they are around. So there are different whatever you feel that is immense and that is, awesome. That is called love. God, yes, we love our God. It's not always we go to God with only prayer, with only expectations and request. We go to God because we love them, we believe them, we have faith on them. So that is also a form of love towards the God. So I have discussed few forms of love. If you feel apart from this any kind of love, do write me in the comment section. Once again, Sejal Dave, special educator, child and career counselor and parenting expert. Do not forget to click the like button, share button and subscribe my video, our channel, My Fit Brain. If you still want to further discuss, I am available at My Fit Brain portal. Do connect to me. Bye. Take care and don't forget to feel love, any form of love. Take care. Bye.